Hello, welcome to this channel. I want to teach you how you can design an ID card like this. Then without no waste of time, let's dive into the tutorial one. First, let's change the size of our artboard. Let's say 2.5, 2.2.5 by 3.5, 3.5 inches. Press enter. And then this is now on our artboard. Let's reduce this. And then from here, looking at this ID, we'll work with, let's create a rectangle like this. Create a rectangle, press P, and then for instance we'll see colors from it. You see there, see a green color like this. Then from here you drag to the left and then click on, then you, as you drag, then right click, bam, like this, and then select it, then give it a color, not a complete white. Select all and then remove the outline like this, and then from the middle, in the center, you try to align. Select this an ellipse shape, then press Ctrl and hold, drag it to this point. Then let's bring our image in. I think I have my own image in. Let's copy it and then bring it. Then we'll paste. It's in PNG format. Then you can paste it like this. Drag it in a bit without no waste of time. Let's drag it. Let's give it an outline by you right click, you go to the color you want, then you right click, and then let's add the thickness of the outline. Yeah, this is better. Let me see, let's readjust. This is better off. Then for instance, now we want to create, we'll add this line here, and then from here you pick this line, then right click, that's white, and then this is written a marketing theme, and then we can change it to our own aspect. Media, media publicity crew, and then we can use the font Montserrat. Press enter. Then we like use the bold, and then come here, change to 90 degrees, and then scale it to fit like this. Scale it to fit to this point. Then we can select this, readjust it, and then let's change the color to white as well. And then from here, then we'll have Benway Digital Agency. Benway Digital Agency, and then we'll reduce it to this point. This is Benway Digital Agency, and then select it, and then we are still using Montserrat, but this time a smaller one. Then this is minimalist design, so everything will be as simple as possible. We drag this down and then right click to duplicate it, and then from here you select all. You say this is Godwin A. Let's give it that. Godwin A. Panda. Let's see, Godwin. Then make it bold, and then you can see the role media director, and then you can onboard it or make it smaller, or make it smaller, and then drag down to fit and say ID. Then for now we can separate it by changing, by making our decisions. Let's say ID number, email, and then phone details, phone number, and then right click all, and then Control R to align right from this point, and then select here, come down a bit, and then copy this, copy and read, then you copy and paste, and then provide the details. Similarly, 002, that's it. Then the email is Godwin Penda 49 at gmail.com. This is supposed to be in small letter, and then select it, then control right, control left, it's align left, and then you can station it like this. And then at this point we'll now complete the phone number. So 234909010218776. That's it. And then reduce it to upscale it to this point, and then this is stationed, and I think this is very simple. And then for it to fix this background, for this background to come in here, also we look for a very creative background of our choice. Let's go to our model where we find inspirations. We are coming to Pinterest. From Pinterest you can find a creative background. Then click on it, and then from here you can see the creative background. Let's say I want to use, we can't go much, let's just use this background for instance. You download it, it's downloaded, you copy it straight in to, then from here you paste, reduce it for instance, then from here select it, then power click inside, then readjust it, then reduce the transparency or the opacity similarly. Then that's it. You now have a simple minimalist design of your choice. Then from here we can also design the back. On the back of it, let's move this away. On this same plane, let's delete this, or let's just remove it. Let's remove it, delete, move this, and then we can still make use of this. Double click from it, cut this, and then so from here drag it up, drag it to the other side like this, and then double click inside, then paste that image that was previously there, then align, finish it, and then you see it, so that you're having that particular image how it's looking here, and then the company logo can follow suit similarly. So basically information to see behind, for instance, as you see here, the address. These are basically the address which you can input without no waste of time. from here, let's delete. You can see address, which can say number 40 Inikbi Street, and then Inikbi Street high level, Makudi. This must be in possession of the person who owns this ID at all times. Thank you. And then this, nothing much. That's it. And then let's centralize it. Centralize like this. And then we can be creative enough to bold it up here. I think that's all. And then you have a back of an ID. So if you need any other informations that you need to add to these IDs, then you don't have any problem. So thank you, and then subscribe for more.